Right guys, nice and easy one this, yeah? Nice and easy. All we're doing, we're taking the owl and we're changing the eye color, okay? Not too difficult, not too difficult at all. We've done something similar already, yeah? So this shouldn't cause us too many problems. Right, okay, so open this with GIMP. This will be a really easy one for you guys, I think. We're going to zoom in nice and tight. We've got two options here. We can either use the ellipse tool, but this is a bit problematic because we need to move it in, we need to move it out, and it's quite difficult to get it exactly, yeah? So we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to use the free select tool, yeah? So this tool selections, free select. Oh, hello, tools, selections, free select. And then we're just going to draw around the eye, nice and easy. Trying to make sure that all of the yellow is inside our selection. Good, okay, that's fine. Press enter. Okay, now we don't want to recolor this bit. So here I am going to use an ellipsis because this is more circular, it's more elliptical. Okay, now I'm going to hold down Command, and what you see is let me do that again. So I'm going to hold down Command. You see that? You see that minus symbol next to the cursor, to the right of the cursor? That means it's subtracting. Yeah? So now whatever I select is actually subtracted from my selection. Yeah? So this is ignored. So press OK. So now we've got two ellipses. Well, no, this is a free select and this is an ellipses. Yeah? And now we're almost done. We can just go colorize. Yeah, and you see the pupil of the eye doesn't change. We can change this to whatever color you want. We can have it green. We can have it nice and strong. We can have it red. I'm going to have it red. Okay, there we go. Okay. Select none. Let's zoom back out. And we're done. Okay, nice and easy. We have recolored part of the owl. We colored the eye. That looks really nice. Yeah, that looks really good. If we go really tight, okay, we can see a little bit of orange, yeah, here and here, but I'm not worried about that. Yeah, that looks really good. We just go File, we export that, and then we move on to the next lesson. Easy peasy, guys. Yeah. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.